So anyhow, the main rule vegetarianism, we have spoken. Practice the Mahamantra meditation every day, once in a week. Try to hold a group meditation for healers and others. One main thing, when you have a group meditation in your house, the whole house gets energized. Whole house gets energized. You will not have depression in your house. Many people I have seen, they come and complain to me. Swamiji, the moment we enter our house, our mood gets upset. We become depressed. Outside we are all okay. As long as we are somewhere else, things are really wonderful. The moment we enter the house, what happens? Something beyond your control, something happens and you fall in low mood. You fall in the same thinking system. You fall in the same rut. Because house is also a living energy. Don't think house is a dead building. House is a living energy. If you continuously have only negative thoughts in the house, all these things will energize the whole house. It will energize the space which is inside the house. So once in a while, once in a week, if you do Mahamantra as a group in the house, the whole house will be cleansed. Once in a week you clean your house, now sweep and wipe. Do it or not? Same way, once in a while clean the space. Clean that space. Now of course you don't need to do Mahamantra, do Shakti Dharana. Shakti Dharana is simply not only cleaning and wiping, it is just like a painting. You will just paint your whole house. Whole house will be rejuvenated. That is why I tell, I have seen few people, they take this big photograph or the healing kit, they take and go and keep it in near temple. Nearby temple they start a center. Of course, if you start nearby temple, so many people will come to know that is different. But you will miss it in your house. First try to energize your house. First let your house be rejuvenated. First do that. Then we can go for energizing a temple. The temple is already in energy. If you can dedicate your time and energy, start a healing center or meditation center in your area. Having a healing or meditation center in your home purifies the energy of your home and helps you enter into meditation easily. No fee is to be collected for healing and meditation at the center. Whoever feels compelled to contribute is free to do so. You should understand, no fee should be collected, not only fee. People come and bring flowers, fruits. Never eat that things. Never eat what people bring when they come for healing. It is their karma. I have seen always. If you eat, the moment you eat, you will get the. So never accept anything from people who come for healing. No, if they bring, offer it to anyway, my photo will be there. Don't put it on your head. Put it in the photo. Better if they compel and give you some fruits or something, distribute it. Never eat. No. It is only dana. It's only, you see, whenever it is given as a dana, it never accepts, it never, when it is not selfish, you see, then so much of money comes here. Don't think all these pillars are all pillars. Somebody's leg pain, headache. That's what I always tell the people. இதெல்லாம் காசு மாலை நினைக்காதீங்க. யாரோ ஒருத்தன் காமால தான் காசு மாலையை தொங்கிட்டு இருக்கு. அந்த காமால சரியான உடனே இந்த காசு மாலை பண்ணி போட்டுருக்காங்க. அதனால இதெல்லாம், all these things are somebody's karma only. That's what they brought and offered it in so many forms. But because it is totally for public and it's a public, the karma never touches anybody. Of course, the master's energy will simply burn the karmas. It will just burn the karmas. But you don't accept anything. If they offer some money, bring it and offer it to the Dhyanapidam. Over. Of course, once they are healed, encourage them to support the mission. Don't force them. But you know, if they have 10 crore wealth, you can easily ask for 1,000 rupees. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Give a few hundreds, few thousand. Support the mission. Some good thing is happening. You can always explain. We are building a meditation or something good thing is happening. Support. Tell them to support, nothing wrong. But don't force. Don't collect something in exchange. You understand? Don't tell them you are healed. You should give this. No. Explain them. Trust their intelligence. If they are not intelligent, don't bother. Trust their intelligence and explain. If they are not, don't worry, relax. That's okay.